Struggling with low grades in school? Feeling far from achieving passing marks or even facing failing grades? It's undoubtedly a challenging situation. But fear not, because ChatGPT is here to support you in achieving A+ grades, elevating your academic performance, and who knows, you might even become the top student in your class. ChatGPT is an incredible AI-powered tool that can assist students in a variety of ways. Here are 3 key ways you can make the most of ChatGPT. Research and information retrieval. Whether you're working on a project or studying for a test, ChatGPT can be your virtual research assistant. Simply input your query, and ChatGPT will provide you with relevant information and resources. It can help you find scholarly articles, explain complex concepts, or even suggest additional topics to explore. Writing and editing assistance. Writing essays, reports, or assignments can be challenging, but ChatGPT is here to help. Share your draft or ask for ideas, and ChatGPT will provide suggestions, grammar and style corrections, and help you refine your writing. It's like having a personal writing tutor available 24/7. Problem solving and learning support. Whether you're stuck on a math problem, need clarification on a concept, or want to practice a foreign language, ChatGPT can be your study buddy. Ask questions, solve equations step by step, or engage in interactive language exercises. ChatGPT's ability to provide instant feedback and explanations can accelerate your learning progress. Remember, while ChatGPT is an amazing tool, it's important to use it wisely. Here are a few tips. Clearly articulate your queries. Be specific and provide context when asking questions. The more precise your input, the more accurate and relevant ChatGPT's responses will be. Verify and cross-reference information. ChatGPT provides helpful insights, but always fact-check and consult reliable sources to ensure accuracy. Embrace critical thinking. Don't rely solely on ChatGPT's answers. Use it as a tool to aid your understanding, but actively engage with the information and think critically. By leveraging ChatGPT for research, writing, and problem-solving, students can unlock their full potential and enhance their learning journey. Remember to use ChatGPT responsibly, verifying information and embracing critical thinking. Until next time, happy learning!